Alright, so today papanoorin natin ang G22. Habang dumadaan yung Cebu Pacific, napakaingay, animal. Excuse the airplane, man. And if you're a bullet, please subscribe to the channel because we're gonna check G22 and their new stuff. The thumbnail is crazy. They're freaking hot. So let's start this. Let's go. Oh,
Grab my waist and I
they are not wasting any time. Rekta agad. And yung bias ko talaga, wow, man. Damn, she looks freaking beautiful. I'm just making sure na HD yung mapapanood ko. Jazz. Damn. It's like the video. Ang ganda. What? Okay. Focus on the song, Curbs. What the following music video has been approved for appropriate audiences by the G22 Summer Committee. The video has been rated G. Ooh, I love this. Rated G22 for being too hot, groovy, and sexy. Scene material might be too hot for you. Oh, that's nice. Let's go.
grab my waist and I guide you slowly. I wanna teach you how.
Let's stop this. Let's stop this. Huwag mong binibigla ng biglang paganon. Wag. Don't do that. Don't do that, Jazz. Don't you dare do that to me. Biglang may pagganon ka. Wag. Ayun, no. 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 Damn! Ano yun?
Grab my waist and I guide you slowly. I wanna teach you how to rock this dance floor, baby. Through the lights and darkness, we are feeling like the stars, but nobody can compare to this feeling. Yeah. Have my eyes locked on your body, and since you came, I ain't seen nobody else. No, no one.
Fuck. I think G22 might be the sexiest girl group there is, man. I got Sonara as... Yeah, Sonara is growing on me, man. I think they're my favorite girl group right now. But don't show me G22 because it's gonna be a battle in my brain. Because just now, I think they're the sexiest. Parang there's no doubt, right? Parang sila talaga. Damn, holy shit, this is hard. And what the heck, man? Look at General, man. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Through the lights and darkness, we are feeling like the stars, but nobody can compare to this feeling. Yeah. Have my eyes locked on your body, and since you came, I ain't seen nobody else. No, no one else. Just be yourself. I just can't let go of your grip, losing my breath. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Groove on.
And the song is freaking nice. Ang ganda ng tunog. Yeah, groove on. Talagang literal, man. Yeah, I think they got it. The hottest P-pop group today. I think they're equally freaking hot, man. They're steaming. They're burning hot. Holy sh. But I'm not digging the bangs, but yeah, man. Master Shine Shine, welcome to Mastermind. Wow, Mastermind. Yeah. Mastermind, thank you so much. Welcome with the Info badge. Let's go. Look at that. Damn. Talagang wala silang tinitira. What the heck, man? G2, oh my god. G22 got me, man. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. They're freaking too hot for me.
I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need
Ooh, I love that subtle voicing. The harmonization. Ooh, let's go, guys. Masha Shine Shine is showing the emojis if you're gonna be a member. So be a member now or donate to the channel. That helps a lot. And man, everybody looks freaking sexy. Man, G22 is not just beautiful. They're not just pretty. They're freaking stunning, sexy. That's the word that you should. They're hot. G22 is hot. That's how you describe these girls, man.
in my brain. I just can't say what's on.
I can't just say, I can't just. Parang may high notes na, I can't just say. Tapos si General, I can't just say. Ang ganda ng voicing na yon. Akala nyo puro lang kaseksihan tinitignan ko. Nakikinig din ako. Meron tayong binibigay dito na reaction ba na hindi puro sexy lang. Ah? Dang.
Of your grip, losing my grip. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on.
Don't you dare whisper to me like that. Ano sabi niya?
Groove on. You better get your groove.
You better get your groove. Don't do that. Don't you ever do that.
You better get your groove on. You better get your groove. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Nagitan ng puso ko. Mapigil ang pagdalo. Inindak sa kilos mo. Damdamin ko nag-aapo. I don't care where you're from. All I care is the beat of this drum. You're speaking in motion, feel the emotion. Hey, yeah. So pull me in and don't break the spell. Tonight we dance with secrets to us. We're taking confessions.
Bro, I love the harmonization, man. Freaking nice. Aside from this sexy woman right here, man, their vocals is crazy. Parang Barbie type sila, no? Damn.
Don't break the spell. Tonight we dance with secrets to us. We're taking confessions, not suggestions. Hey.
We're taking confessions, not suggestions. Bars.
I just can't let go of your lips. Is it a sin? I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove. Get your groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on.
Damn!
Groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on. Nagitan ng
May botohan ba? Ano ba? May botohan ba to sa pinapapawisan ako Di, mainit lang. Mainit lang. Di dahil sa kanila Tawag nito, may botohan ba to sa tawag nito sa Filipino Music Awards o kahit ano na the sexiest music video ever or the sexiest music video of the year? Eto na yun, bigay niyo na agad yung plaque ngayon. Ano pa hinihintay niyo, men?
puso ko. Mapigil ang pagdalo. Iindak sa kilos mo. Damdamin ko nag-aapo. Get your groove on now, up on this dance floor. Yeah. Have all night,
What the
maybe
fuck?
tomorrow. Surprise me. Get your groove on now, up on this dance floor. Yeah.
Oh!
Have all night, maybe tomorrow. Surprise me. I just can't let go of your grip. Losing myself.
Oh my God.
Just can't say what's on
Don't do
my
that.
mind. Don't need a friend. Don't need. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on. Nagitan ng puso
Wow. Hot damn.
Target, large, aiming.
Oh, may pa-teaser na agad. Well, that is G22 with Groove on, and man, they nailed it. And bagay sa kanila yung persona na gusto na. I don't know if they're aiming for this, but being the sexiest and the hottest and you know, yung parang nang aakit na klase ng P-pop group, if that's what they want, they are doing it right. It's working because they're crazy hot. And shout out sa lahat ng mga may mga pa-voting. We have nothing to talk about. Ito na yun. Kung may sexiest kayo dyan, hottest, I don't know, masarap, is that a term for that shit? Ibigay nyo na sa G22. G22 number 1, okay? Shoutout kay Jazz. Shoutout sa'yo. Damn. Yan! Shit! Holy shit, man! What the heck?